Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So if you are stuck and wondering how to do your line on your Cheetah, this is a Cheetah whippersnipper guys. It's model number 1697579-00. If you are wondering how to do it on this whippersnipper, we're going to show you how to do this real quick. Because it can be very confusing for some people. So I'm just going to get my buddy here to hold the camera while I show you guys how to do this. Yeah, so basically you've got this part here, right? You want to have this going right against the against it. It will, so on the bottom here you'll see the right and the left. So you just get your string folded up in half. So you want to fold it in half like that. Okay, bend it over there. Okay, and then you just wind it in the right hand, so it'll go. Oh, that was a quick catch. Okay, so you've got the right, so you're going to be going around that way. You pop it in here like this. See there, and then you're just going to hold your thumb here. You're just going to hold it tight because it can slip out and come out. You're just going to wind it around like that. Wind it, wind it. And we'll just keep winding it up. Okay, then you can get one of these pieces here and put your line just in there. Hold that there. Get another one over here. Pop it just in there like that. Okay. Now you're going to get your head piece here. Alright. You're going to pop this in like so. Okay, just in there. You're going to pop this through here like there, pop this through here like there, and that is done. That is tight. So when you pop this, when you hit it, it'll click and it'll like that. See, so when you pop it, it goes automatically. Okay, and then that'll increase your string length. Alright, now that you've popped it in here, just get on your head over here. Make sure that you line this up with this here, so that just pops in. Boom, and just click that in like that. So make sure your strings are good. Make sure you click it. See, when you hit it, boom, just like that. Easy done.